Hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you are looking for a glitter from crafts, I got the perfect one for you. In this video, we're gonna be making cute hair clips out of glitter foam sheet, and we're gonna be making 3 of them. So tell me which one's your favorite in the comment section below. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more creative content. So let's get started.